So today I am going to show you how to subscribe to the Scentsy calendar. Oftentimes I get a lot of consultants asking me, oh, when does this item drop? When does Bring Back My Bar come back? When is the training gonna start? When is Heidi and Orville gonna go live? Um, Granted, you can find some of this stuff in the news tab, but I do know that it is a little difficult to navigate the news tab because some things don't come in order and it's just really hard to find. So this is the way to subscribe to your calendar, which I consider a Scentsy hack because you can literally look at the calendar on your phone and you will know exactly when everything is coming, dates, time, information. So what you're going to do is log into your workstation, and then you are going to look on your left hand side and you will see where it says calendar. You can come here and check anytime you want. Some people prefer just to log in and look, but if you are somebody that you just want to be able to know without having to log in, definitely subscribe to this calendar. It tells you things like, okay, a leadership director's call, fall winter catalog season begins, the last day for spring and summer, all consultant training. This custom email is going to come out. These are just, it's perfect to know this stuff, and you want to be on top of your stuff at all times. So in the right hand corner, you will see where it says subscribe to calendar. You're going to want to click on that, and then what will pop open is copy the URL below. You're going to click on that link, and now it is copied to your clipboard. Step 2, it says follow the instructions for your device, how to subscribe to the consultant calendar. So click on this. It will open you in another tab and it will give you options of calendars that you might want to subscribe, or where you will subscribe from. So you can do it from your iPhone or your iPad, Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, or Apple Calendar. I'm going to do it to my Google Calendar because I use it often. I put all of my kids' appointments in there. I can set reminders and I can color code them. And I have a Google phone, so it's just easier for me. I prefer to use Google Calendar, but the choice is yours. So you're going to click on the option that you pick. Then it will open up a PDF showing you how to do it. But obviously, since I'm making you this tutorial, you don't need it. So step 2, it'll say log into your Google Calendar. I am already logged in to Google, so when I open it, it's already going to have me logged in. So it's easier, just make sure you're logged in before, but it will open up your Google Calendar, and then you will see on the left hand side the dates and your different types of calendars for different things, and then you will see it'll say here other calendars. So you click the plus sign and it will give you options of how to do it. I click on from URL because we copied that from earlier, and then you paste it into the URL. You can make this calendar public or private. I don't really know what the difference is. I guess I'll just make mine public. Press add calendar, and now you are officially subscribed, and you will see it here in the corner. I'm going to click out and then reopen it to show you. So now when I go back to my calendar, or when I open it from my phone, I will now see all of the Scentsy upcoming dates and times for everything. You can set reminders on your phone. You can just have it to where certain things that you're interested in, an alarm will go off for them. Here, look, voting for Bring Back My Bar, and it will give you all the details. Comes Monday, August 17th. That's today. Oh my gosh. Starting at 10 a.m. You pick the Scentsy bar fragrances that you would like to bring back. Click here for more info. It really is pretty awesome. All the details will be here, and that's basically it. If you guys have any questions, let me know.